Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is chapter 2 Alles Neu and part 3 of this B1 level video. Previous parts you can watch in the playlist. B1 level playlist is available on the channel. You can watch and learn chapter wise German of B1 level. So this is part 3 and today we will do genitive case. Genitive case, let me tell you one thing. Genitive means change of article. Actually it means of. Genitive means of. Like I'll say one sentence, the book of my father, the car of my brother, the temperature of the room, okay, the temperament, the mood of the people. So this of means genitive in German. In English it is very simple to say, but in German we need a particular structure, we need a particular grammar, and we use that, we apply with the help of few sentences I have written here, and these sentences I have taken from the textbook Netzwerk, B1 book, chapter 2 we are doing. If you have the book, open your book so that you can understand this chapter very well. So, you know we have three articles, der, das and die. So, der and das convert into des and die changes into der. This is the change of article. So, if this article changes like des, it means of is hidden in the sentence, of. So, we will see with the help of few examples like ich möchte, I would like to change the temperature of the room. So, I will complete this sentence, ich möchte die Temperatur des Hauses ändern. So, this is the sentence. Look at this once again, ich möchte, I would like to change the temperature of the house. Because in this chapter we have seen neue Technik, alles neu, smartes Wohnen, smart living. How do we use this smart technology today in our home, at our residence? Sometimes we have this digital locker, sometimes we have main gate, means gate unlock with the help of keyword, with the help of password. We have different screens in the houses, so that we can change the temperament of the room, we can change the color of the lights. So, all this comes under the modern technique. So, it is given in the book, you can watch with this video and you can read the book. So, ich möchte die Temperatur des Hauses ändern. I would like to change the temperature of the house. So, here ändern means to change. Similarly, ich möchte das Licht der Wohnung. Die changes into der. You can see this is genitive. I have already changed here des and here der. So, noun also takes es, but with die feminine, noun will not take any ending. So, ich möchte das Licht der Wohnung anpassen means suitable according to me, adapt, in which I can easily adapt, anpassen. So, I would like to adapt, or I would like to change or make it suitable, okay, the light of the Wohnung. Der Wohnung means of the Wohnung. So, die changes into der and here das changes into des. This is called genitive case. Next sentence, if I say ich möchte die Farbe, I would like to change the color of the wall, suppose. Ich möchte die Farbe der Wand. So, die changes into der. So, this is the arrow. I would like to change the color of the wall. Ich möchte die Farbe der Wand ändern or steuern. Steuern means to regulate. I would like to regulate the color of the wall. I would like to change the color of my Wohnung. It's under my control. This means steuern. Steuern means actually this steering of the car. And what is the function of steering? To regulate the entire machine, the entire car. Similarly, steuer means to regulate. So, what we are regulating here? The color of the wall, the temperament. Ich möchte die Stimmung, the temperament, the mood. Ich möchte die Stimmung der Wohnung ändern. So, you can make different sentences, you can make so many sentences, multiple sentences by using these words. I have taken these words from the textbook. Again, I am saying Netzwerk B1 level book. So, go through the book and do this exercise once again, and then we will continue. Okay, we will continue this chapter again in the coming videos. So, keep watching German class. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.